Well, come on down here. I want to share with y'all a recipe, and it's called chocolate chip zucchini bread. I'm going to start with my dry ingredients down here. I've measured up 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, now for our dry spices, I'm going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And we're just going to sift that through, making sure we've gotten all of our clumps out of our flour or our spices. All right, now let's come down here and let's eyeball the other ingredients we're going to need to put our bread together. I've beaten 3 eggs until they're light and fluffy. Now to those eggs, I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar. So 2 cups of white sugar into our eggs. We're going to beat that, and then we're going to add 1 cup of vegetable oil. And that's going to give this bread the most wonderful, moist texture. There we go. All right, now you'll see over here I've got my grated zucchini, and we're just going to grate our zucchini skin and all. And I've got about 2 cups. I've got 1 tablespoon of orange zest. And I'm just going to throw this in all of our wet ingredients. And I'm going to add a teaspoon or 2 of vanilla extract. You know, as much flavoring as you like. I'm going to stir in my cup of chocolate chips. A cup of pecans. Let's give all this a quick little stir. And at this point, we no longer even need the mixer. All this can be done by hand. We're just going to stir this together. And I've got 2 5x9 loaf pans over here. We're going to bring our batter down there, and we're going to spray our pans so that our bread won't stick. We want our loaves to come out nice and easy. Now, if you don't have any spray, you can always grease them, dust them with a little flour, and that'll help those breads come out nicely when they're done. Okay, let's give all this a quick little stir. There we go. Now, I'm going to make sure I can divide this as evenly as possible. So I'm going to use one of my little measuring cups. Those look perfectly even. Now we're going to put this in the oven. My oven has preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to bake this for about 50 minutes. So let's put in our bread. Come on, you bad zucchini bread, you. Get in that oven. Hey, y'all, welcome back. I've taken our chocolate chip zucchini bread out of the oven. I've got it cooling down there. All right, come on over here and look at our zucchini bread, our chocolate chip zucchini bread. Let's just tap this. Look at there. We sprayed it and it just came out perfectly beautiful. Let's get us a little slice. Now this zucchini bread, there I go swallowing again. This looks so good and smells so good. Now I don't know about y'all, but, you know, I love that cream cheese on it. So I'm going to put just a wee little bit of cream cheese on mine. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. The pecans and the chocolate chips together, along with my vegetables, it's so good.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.